1 gallon of gasoline in an automobile's engine produces an average of 8.60 kilograms of carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas. Calculate the annual production of carbon dioxide in kilograms if there are exactly 276 million cars in the United States and each car covers a distance of 13,500 miles at a consumption rate of 24.9 miles per gallon. So in the problem, we are given 276 million cars. So let's begin with 276 million cars. According to the problem, each car covers a distance of 13,500 miles. So one car covers 13,500 miles. So car would cancel. Now we have miles. If you read the problem, it says the consumption rate is 24.9 miles per gallon. So 24.9 miles is equivalent to 1 gallon. So miles would cancel. Now we have gallon of gasoline. Finally, the problem says 1 gallon of gasoline produces 8.60 kilograms of carbon dioxide. So 1 gallon produces 8.60 kilograms of carbon dioxide. So gallon would cancel, and our final unit would be kilograms of carbon dioxide. The question is asking for the kilograms of carbon dioxide. So if you plug all the numbers in your calculator and solve for the kilograms of carbon dioxide, your answer would be equal to 1.29 times 10 raised to 12 kilograms of carbon dioxide. And this is the answer to the question.